Hey guys, it's Amanda, also known as Amateurries, and today I'm doing a collab with PeachxPisces, who's also a beauty and lifestyle YouTuber here on YouTube. She does beautiful makeup looks, just recently did an Aries one, just recently did a Taurus one and everything like that, so I really admire her commitment to the zodiacs because I don't think I could do that. I would like to try, don't think I could get through all of them. Anyhow, we're doing two collabs with each other. One, I'm doing water, and then next I'm doing air, but today obviously we're going to be doing water, the elemental water. So if you want to see the air one, stay tuned for next Tuesday to see that one as well. So if you wanted to see how to get this look, please keep watching. First we're going to prime our eyes. I'm using Maybelline Stick Concealer to prime mine. You can use any concealer of your choosing or any eye primer of your choosing as well. To set the concealer and help brighten the colors later, I'm using Don't Steal My Thunder by Wet n Wild in the white color, or known as the brow bone color. I'm going to take the same color and place it in my brow bone area. From the BH Cosmetics Foil Eyes 2 palette in the sky blue color, I am going to pack this on majority of my eyelid, leaving only a tiny bit near the tear duct bare. From the same palette, I'm taking this deep blue color and blending it at the end of my eye, pulling it up in a cattail-like motion at the very end as well. Taking the silvery blue color, I'm going to lightly pat this over the sky blue color. Taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to blend out the edges to make the look appear smoother. I am using Morphe's M441 brush. Taking Ulta Color Pure Pigment in Honey and a damp brush, I'm going to add this around the tear duct on top and on the bottom, bringing it a little bit further at the bottom of my lid towards the center. Going back to the sky blue, I'm going to blend this along the rest of my lower lid with a small precision brush. Taking the deep blue color, I'm going to focus on blending this at the end of my lower lid. For mascara, I'm using Smoke & Mirror's Lengthening Mascara. It smells quite awful and it isn't that great at lengthening, but I wanted to try it out a few times before judging it, and I think my final judgment is that it kind of sucks. Taking the silvery color, I'm going to very gently put this on the frontal part of my waterline. For falsies, I'm using Kiss Lashes and Pageboy. For lipstick, I'm using Wet n Wild's Zodiac Collection Lipstick in Capricorn. Taking another silvery blue, I am going to pat this on the middle of my lips to give a blue sheen. And that is it. It's super easy to do. All it is a mix of different blues and whites, and then you got it. It's very pretty. It's very ocean-like. I even wore my ocean like items. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. To see more, please continue watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that like button so that I may get a thumbs up so I can get hit on that algorithm. And please go check out PeachxPisces.